Here's Journey to Your Heart, theme from Pokemon Master Journeys by Pokemon Egg Goldfar and Haven Paschal on Amazon Music.
Wow, I haven't drawn one of these in a Gigantamax Pokemon in a while. Hi, I didn't see there. Tonight I'm showing you all how to draw a Gigantamax Venusaur from Pokemon Master Journeys and the Pokemon Sword and Shield expansion pass. Even though this came out a few months ago, Gigantamax Venusaur is one of the new Pokemon that has a new form. so far I did so far I did Gigantamax Charizard, Gigantamax Blastoise, and now Gigantamax Venusaur. When I found out the Pokemon Expansion Pass came out, I was intrigued, and I was all like, what? Blastoise and Venusaur have new forms? Whoa. Wow. Yeah. I know, right? I did the same thing when I found out that Zapdos and Articuno and Moltres had legendary forms as well. They had new forms also. It didn't take me that long to take them down. It was pretty easy, actually. Even though it took a while. In my group, in my deck, I managed to have a Gigantamax Venusaur. I still have the Gigantamax Moltres in my disposal. And I like the way Gigantamax Zapdos is released. If you have any cards you don't need, my P.O. Box is 733 Woodbury, New York, 11797. And I still got more characters on the way. Here are the plants. Alexa, play Villain March.
Here's Villain March, live by PJ Masks on Amazon Music.
We're on our way!
Yeah, to our new villain headquarters!
Who's ready to finish our plan and take over PJ Masks headquarters? We are!
I feel like the blossom's a bit...
What have we got here? The villains are the ones who finally get to cheer. We track the PJ Masks, we're the ones on top. There's nothing they can do.
There we go.
Can't be stopped, let's march. Whoa, let's march.
Another thing about Venusaur, we draw a second crown above his head.
We caught your little gecko, it was easy to do.
We're coming after Catboy and Howlette too. We're the best, we're supreme, you know it's true.
And lastly, we draw the Gigantamax Clouds.
HQ, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me who we're watching for. The villains, the villains, 5, 6, 7, 8. Who do we appreciate? The villains, the villains. Let's march. Whoa, let's march. Whoa, let's everybody on the phone. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4.
And done. There he is. That's how you draw Gigantamax Venusaur. And don't forget the spots. And done. That's how you draw Gigant... Oh yeah. I already told you that. Anyways, now that that's done, please like... Now that that's done, I finally completed all 3 of the Gigantamax Pokemon! Woo! Well, 3 of the starters. I still want to do lots more Gigantamax Pokemon. I hope they release more in the Sun and Moon... the Sword and Shield series. I really want to find out more about the legendary Pokemon that are being released. Anyways, and it starts with Legends Arceus. Anyways, please like your rocket, subscribe to my channel. That's how you draw Gigantamax Venusaur. And let me know what character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later.